So from here, standing, you go down first, then put your hand here, and then go like that. Then later on, you start rotating. This one rotates this way, this one rotates this way. And you do this to cause it to rotate there. Can you see? It's like that. So just go down, one down, two slide. At the beginning, just slide from under the inside of your thigh and go down that way. Just touch it. And by the time you finish, you flip your hand over. Yeah. Okay. Don't go out, don't go out. Let me show you what it means, don't go out. Come closer to here. Watch the distance here. You went like this here, went out. This here, it's although it's one line. You never let the line go sideways.